It's hunting season, baby, and venison ham is on the menu. I was gifted this beautiful, deep, dark, red, sick deer leg roast hunted by my good friend Johnny and his father right here in the Chesapeake Bay area. To start the brine, I've measured kosher salt, Instacure number 1 or pink salt, honey, baking soda to help with moisture retention, cold water, a bowl big enough to brine the ham in, and lastly, a food-grade plastic bag, which I'll then place inside the bowl to hold the brine and the ham. Next step is to add all the ingredients in the water. And stir until everything has been dissolved. Then pour it into the bowl with the bag, and place the leg roast inside. Squeeze as much air out as possible and tie it off. I will allow the venison to brine for 14 days for the flavor to fully penetrate into the middle. Every 2 days or so, I will rotate and shake the brine bag to distribute the brine. After 14 days, I'll then drain the brine liquid, and at this point it should feel dense, which means the salt has worked its way in. Then I'll just give it a quick rinse under cold water. After that, I take butcher's twine and tie it up, as this roast is made of multiple muscle groups. This will help keep everything nice and uniform during cooking. Since the venison ham is so lean, I recommend cooking it in a water bath at 145 degrees until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Allow the venison ham to fully cool down after cooking before seasoning and searing the meat. To season the meat, I have a mixture of garlic powder, thyme, and ground black pepper. What I'll do next is brush on extra virgin olive oil, then sprinkle spices and herbs all over until there's a nice even coating. Place the seasoned venison ham on a roasting rack and in an oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes to help crisp up the outside. Perfect! Now, I will usually let the ham cool down completely again before slicing into it, but I can't wait. Let's see how it came out. Oh my Lanta! Tender, juicy, and aromatic. I couldn't be happier with how this has come out. It will be perfect for a sandwich or even on a charcuterie board. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for the deer meat, Johnny.